I apologize about being a little late. My camera was not picking up on OBS, so I was trying to troubleshoot that. I know I said 7:45, it's 7:50 now. I was about 5 minutes late, so I apologize. Yeah, but share to my page. Oh, I know what went wrong. Yeah, I apologize about that, y'all. Again, like I said, my OBS was not wanting to... Hold on. Let me share my stream to my page. There we go. OBS was not wanting to read my dang video input. So, yeah. Anyways, let's see. Do the normal check here. Let's see how everything's going. Again, I apologize about yesterday, y'all. I don't know. I couldn't bring myself to get on camera yesterday. I did do a little bit of coding behind the scenes, though. I didn't really work on this project per se. I worked on getting together a presentation for a live call I'm hosting in the course I am in tomorrow, which if y'all are interested, please let me know. And I can always not share the video here because I don't think I can do that, but at least tell you guys what's going on and give you the details on everything and kind of share the information I shared with them there as well. Ooh, we got somebody in the chat. Hey. Hey, Logan. Oh, geez. Okay. Let me edit the video. But yeah, I'm here now. I'm probably only going to do about an hour. Again, I'm feeling low energy just like I was yesterday, but I wanted to force myself to get on and to do this because I was like, I can't do 2 days in a row. I can't do 2 days in a row. I already gave myself one to recuperate, so let's not do that. And let's go on and actually get on camera and do what we said we were going to do. So, yep. Let's see. Create a dashboard. Alright, I'm just pulling up everything that I should have had pulled up before this, but I was trying to get OBS to work and it wasn't working. So, it was really not, I don't know if it was OBS or my camera. I think it was OBS, to be honest with you. But yeah. Here we are. I have a call in 5 minutes, so I can say hi. Okay. Well, have fun on your call today, Logan. I appreciate you stopping by. But, yeah. Oh. Okay. Alright. So, basically, what we were working on was this here. I didn't work on this bug here, which I said I was going to, but again, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I got really pissed off with it because, okay, so say I run this code, right? It's running. Give it a second. Or it's wanting to run. Alright, my computer is just all kinds of slow today. I need to restart it. But anyways, alright, so we have a bug here, right? If it wants to freaking run, what the hell? Excuse me. Anyways, this is the same thing that I had just did. Oh, okay. Y'all seeing this too? Y'all seeing this? Can't be the only one. So we'll let it simmer a little bit. But again, for those of you who just are tuning in, what I'm doing is I'm trying to fix this bug that I have writing to the CSV file. And then I'm going to, clean up my code. Or clean up the data so I can go on and start feeding it into a machine learning model, and going from there. So yeah, we'll see what happens tonight. Like I said, I'm only going to stay on for maybe an hour or two, and then I'll probably try to mess around with this on my own off stream. Past 2 days, okay, it's going to run like 3 times because I clicked the button 3 times. We'll just have story time with Kiska right now. But yeah, last day or two I felt really low energy. I don't know why, but I did. So I couldn't, like yesterday and today, so I couldn't really bring myself to get on the camera yesterday. Jesus. Oh, this is going to run for a second, but I couldn't really bring myself to get on. But I was like, alright, Kiska, I was trying to kind of convince myself not to come on here today, and I was like, you know what, no, you said you're gonna do it, so do it. So here I am. Yesterday I did work on stuff behind the scenes. It wasn't anything major, it wasn't anything exciting, it was just a presentation for my live call tomorrow. You're passing binary into something expecting a string of characters. Typecast can be binary into a string. Here, because it's saying each. Okay, so here's the thing. The type is a class string at the positions. So does that mean I need to cast the entire array as a string and then pass the array in? Okay, let me see. Let's take a look at that because I don't know how to do that actually in Python. Oh. Yogurt's over there and she's looking really cute. She was dreaming and she was whining or something. It was adorable. Alright. Alright, so I guess it's just as easy as that. Cool. Let's see. STR. If this works, I'll love you forever, Logan. Because I was getting really, really upset. Arrays are dynamically typed in Python. Oh. Okay. I did not know that. Cool. Let's see. Hopefully it works. I was trying to read out my data into a .json. That was from this one, I think it was. But it wasn't, I wasn't able to get it to work. It wasn't going to work the way I wanted it to. See, right argument must be string, not bytes. This obviously here is a string. Because for tweet and tweets, get tweets, tweets.append, tweet, and in quotes I put text. And this is because the docs. If you take a look at the docs, you say, you know, this is what it tells you to do if you just want to get the text. So I'm pushing it at the end of every array. This works because if you can see up here, if I just do, instead of doing types, I don't think this will break it or anything. If I run it, it'll show you at position 0 that there is something stored in the variable, or in the list, if you will. Okay, sounds good. I appreciate the help, at least for now. Hi, Olive. So, yeah. So, that being said, we're going to have to figure this out. And if I use CSV, I could use that, but the thing is if I use just import CSV as a library, it doesn't have the RTF8 encoded symbols in it. So if you take a look at the text, it'll look like this here. If there's a character not on the ASCII table, it's going to output its hex. So I guess an easy way of doing that would be just looking for anything and then converting it into its actual symbolic character, but I feel like that would take too long. If I can find a way to just save it already encoded into the UTF-8 encoding, I think that would be best. But yeah. Let's see. Let's go here. So many errors, looks like me coding. I bet it does. So what I really like about VS Code running Python through an IDE like VS Code that can handle a lot, especially down here, you can see what the like where it goes or how it goes. So this here, line 13, and then here. And then here, that's, you can see where it's going wrong. It's just, and then it gives you an error down here. That's what I really like about it. I've noticed like it traces it, which is really nice because not many IDEs do that. But yeah, yep. Excuse me. Let's see. Olive. Hold on. Okay, sorry. Didn't want to yell in anybody's ears. I don't know. Typically they do, but I haven't seen it to where there's actual like tracing back of the actual code. Like they of course give you the errors and what line it's on, but I've noticed like if there's only one line of code and it and it was in like a function or something, it doesn't. I've just noticed that. But right argument must be string, not bytes. Alright. For tweets and tweet and tweets. For tweet and get tweet. Tweets.append. Tweet at tweets text. Excuse me. So we have that saved in our new array. Oh my god, that beast scared me. She's loving. She's very loving, but she's also very eager to bark at anything that says or is too loud. Not says, but is too loud. Alright. So let me take a look at this here. I'm just gonna search this because I'm not 100% sure why this is happening. You have 11 dogs? Oh jeez. I thought I was crazy. Current dialect. Writer objects have the following public attribute: a read-only description of the dialect used by the writer, and then the right header. Okay. I don't want to read. I want to write. Oh, I am a beginner with Python. Somebody called the cops on somebody. Do I really need that F right there? I don't think I do. Will my code still run? Yeah, they definitely called the cops on somebody over here. Something happened. Ain't none of my business. Cool. It's just, okay. Self.binary.write, string encode, self-encoding, comma self errors. Okay, let's look this up, because, yeah, why not? Well, apparently it copied it. Alright, so let's take a look at this function here, or this whatever statement. Write Unicode to the, okay. Okay, cool. She has the same issue. Oh my god, you can do that? I'm gonna be really upset if this works, because I was complaining about this. In binary mode. Okay. So, hold on. Oh wait, no, I do. I want it like that. Okay, so we're opening that. B. Okay. So, okay, you want to open your file in binary mode. Binary mode does not need encoding. Okay, so WB instead of the encoding in UTF-8. Well, let's run this, see if it works. If not, then I'll add the B and go from there. How's everybody been? What's going on? I only have like 2 people in my stream right now, but that's okay. I think one on YouTube, one on Twitch. What's good, y'all? What's good? Alright, so that still didn't work. So let's try writing it in a byte. At least somebody is watching you. Exactly. I mean, it could be worse. Not complaining at all. I just make fun of myself a lot, so when I'm like, yeah, only 2 people are watching me, and it's because I'm like feeling awkward because I'm saying, how is everybody doing? How are y'all doing? It's just to me. Bruh! Bruh, it worked. But I think, let me just comment this out. I'm trying to save, sorry, I was trying to read what you had wrote. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to save Twitter, some tweets into a CSV file. I think the way I had it set up is it was reading in, I think it's reading in each letter into the CSV. I was going, let me see if this works. I doubt it will. Let's go back to overflow, Stack Overflow real quick. Alright. Add a carriage return and a line. I think you mean character return and a line feed after each character. Yeah, I know, and I don't know why it's acting the way it is, because this was supposed to be my header. It's I think I know what it is. We're getting somewhere. Forgot. Hold on. Actually, I have it over here somewhere. And it was the very first one. I think it's this one. No. Okay, I think what it is I think it's this. Okay. Let's see. We'll try right row instead of right rows with an S. That might be a typo on my part, which isn't uncommon. Like, I will be honest with you, most of my bugs are just because I don't spell things right and my syntax isn't correct. So, I think one of these days what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a 12-hour stream of me just programming all day. Hey, okay, look at us. We freaking got it. But hold on. You see this here? Yeah, that too. Yeah. That too. Let me go take a look and reference this, because I don't know if that's actually what or how it shows up on his feed, or if that is a CSV, a comma separated value. You see what I mean? Like here. Excuse me, or like up here where there's a quote. Donald Trump's page. Yes, I am scraping Donald Trump's tweets. Because, yeah, I'm making a Trump translator on how to, like, if you put user input in, it should translate to the way Trump talks. Streets and communities. Okay, no, it's working. It's just that hi, Olive. You want me to throw your toy? Go get it. She's so cute. Is there any RSS feed, or are you parsing the page? I don't know. To be honest with you. I just kind of found a Twitter scraper library, and yeah, they're handling all of that for me, really. So I just get all the tweets from here and then write them to a CSV here. That's really all I'm doing. I will do this. Print. Hold on. Let's see. I think that'll work. I want it to like just print out a dot every time it iterates, so it looks like it's actually doing something. I want it to print on the same line though. Alright, I can close that. I'm gonna close this. Let's go here. Alright. Auto IT. What is that? No, I haven't. I haven't heard of it. I want to search Google for it, actually. Olive! No wonder there's so much fluff around the house. She's destroying her thing. Very easy scripting language. Okay. Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm just using Python because it had a Twitter scraping library, so I figured why not. Okay, nice. Yeah. Hi, Olive. What are you doing? My dang dog comes up to me, just like chomping on fuzz she just tore out of her toy. Ay, ay, ay. Why am I on this page? Oh, it's because I closed something up. Let's see. No, it's just a personal project for now. It's not anything bigger as of right now. Thank you guys for following me. I just saw a couple of Mootlog777. Follow me on Twitch. Thank you. I appreciate it. But yeah. No, it's just a personal project right now. Why is my stream manager acting up on Twitch? Yeah, my stream manager is acting up. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. Alright. I think what... Okay, so now... Because this right here is going to be a comma separated value. Oh, Tatiana. Tatiana, you should be here. Come join me. Hold on, I'm going to try to get her to come to Twitch. Okay, cool. What? David, why are you still up? Olive. It's 5-6 years. I didn't write a single line in Python. Oh, wow. Quit it. Olive. Olive, quit it. Sorry about that, y'all. BRB need to drink something to drink. I feel that. Alright. So let's see. I don't know why it's reading this as a comma separated vowel. Oh, you know why? I know what it is. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Tatiana. There we go. Okay. What breed is my dog? She's a lab mix. I think she's lab and Weimaraner. She's definitely lab for sure. But yeah. Okay, what did my sister say? Oh, okay, I need to just turn this on silent because I don't need to learn about that or hear about that. Excuse me. She's lab, so she is very protective. That's part of the reason why she just sits at the window and she barks, because she doesn't like people coming near the apartment. But yeah. So I think what this is I don't think this is actually a comma separated value. I think what this is actually the string itself. Or like it's in the string and the CSV, or it's differentiating it with parentheses. Actually, that's, I needed that. Kiska. Okay, that's fine. I'm good. I saw that you streamed yesterday. I'm sorry, I didn't quite get a message that you had messaged me, though. I would have stopped by if I would have gotten it while you were streaming. Brad, let's go. So we got it to work. So let's go up here. Okay, be on the way, and Americans wants... But here, see? That's not... This is weird. This is really weird. Okay, so campaign. Oh, got it. Oh, it's working. Okay, it's working. I streamed last night and had some feeders and chatters. That's good. I'm glad. What were you streaming? Alright. So now I am going to remove, let me write this down. I want to write down exactly what I need to remove. Okay. Trash. Alright, so we need to remove hyperlinks. Or links in general. And then Reg Express. Okay. I think we were talking about that. About C films. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's awesome. We also need to remove mentions. Let's see. Alright, so for those of you who are just tuning in, I actually got my script to work by doing a little Google search here. I found out that I needed to open it up or write to it in binary so everything would work. And then let's see. This should work now. I don't have a reason why it shouldn't. This will just allow them to know that it's a tweet, and I probably should just comment that out because that's annoying as shit. But let's go from there. Let's see. But yeah, we finally got this all situated. How's my progress coming along? I'm getting there. I need probably about 22 more followers, and I need to stream for 2 more days, I believe, because I'm out of like 5 out of 7 days. I don't know why, but they didn't count my first day, or I think I was having an issue streaming to Twitch. I can't quite remember. It was one or the other. So I'm down like 2 days. But yeah, I'm almost there. I'm getting close. How about you? Alright, cool. I actually want to name this text. Not test, text. Alright. So let's run that. Let's take a look. I want to clean up Let's take a look at the Twitter scraper because they might have this built in. Yeah, PayPal. Let's see. Let's see if they have this built in, because if they have this built in, then yeah, I don't need to do anything. Get trends, no. Profile, no. Dot dict. Let's just skip over that. Okay, nice, that's awesome. I've simply forgotten Python after start. Dude, you were on that 60 days of code too. That was awesome, Aminoth. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm actually getting ready to, I got my CSV for all the tweets. I don't think it's all of them, but I do think it's a good amount of them. But I just took a look on this Twitter scraper. It's parsing the page. Yeah, that's what it's doing. Now, what I'm thinking, okay, so I want it, when you scroll, I want it to get like a history of the tweets, if that makes sense. So like, I know when, no, I just don't care about ads. I've made $1 million on Neopets. Oh my god, I haven't played Neopets in forever. But like, when you scroll, you know how it loads even more tweets? Like, I want to get those too. So is there a way to do that with this Twitter scraper? Okay, so like that's all the hashtags, the trends, I guess. No. No. Okay. So this is a different one all together. But I don't want that. Yeah. Can't you just use, yeah, you can, but here's the problem, Aminoth, with it. So I'm using a library first. I'm getting tweets by the username. Now, I've done this like 3 different ways. This is the API way. This is actually utilizing your API keys and all of that to make calls to the API, or make calls to the server to get the tweets from the database, all that good shit. And then it's writing it to a CSV, which it worked, but if this starts scaling up like I want it to eventually, I don't think that this will be the most efficient way of doing things, because this might get costly, because this is going to start to cost. So I was like, why don't we just write a Twitter scraper? So here's what I used to do so, right? However, the problem with this is I followed a tutorial that was old. It was from 2017. Somebody dropped it in the chat and I opened it up. I was like, oh, I bet this is exactly what I need. But when I went back to the page, they completely changed the way that they actually, HTML for the actual, whatchamacallit, page. Like the HTML changed. With this, all you needed to do was run it with the script name and the Twitter username. Yeah. So, now this, I don't know. That doesn't, no. This is why I don't like parsers, yeah. So, right now, I'm using Twitter Scraper. So, I used Tweepy before. That's what my very first one was. Alright. Yeah, I could, but I don't know how to do it that way, and I'm trying to make this simple. Using a web scraper to get the tweets. Maybe you'll have to discover a way to remove the lazy loading. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. At the same time, are accessible, yeah. Yep, we sure are. We are web scraping right now. But yeah, Amanath, that's what I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do. Because yeah, I am lazy. Same. Let's take a look into Get Old Tweets 3. What is this? Oh, I didn't even know that. You can't get tweets older than a week. So, okay, so examples. Hi guys, I think I might have found another one that I want to use. So let's start another file because Kiska can't make up her damn mind. So Twitter's API has limitations on it. Twitter's API, one, you can't get tweets older than a week, and I do want to get historical tweets. I say historical, but tweets that are older. And then also, eventually, if this scales the way that my team is kind of thinking it will, because this is just kind of like a proof of concept fun idea that we had, but there's like other implications for it that we're kind of thinking of. Right now this is just 100% for fun. There's just other things that we're thinking it could be used for. It's going to get costly. It's going to get very costly because, you know, you got to pay for APIs, so we don't want to do that. So plus, if you can do something in 6 lines of code, why do it in 6 why do it in, how many lines of code was this? It wasn't that one. It was this one here. Yeah, 63. I can do it in 6. Well, it's really not 6, but, you know. So if you're against the robot txt at Twitter and scrape the data instead of the API, you can actually prof off this. Yeah. Oh, okay. Robot.txt. What is that? Oh, my computer. Okay. Oh. Well, really then, it'll just be a fun project. Who cares at this point? Yeah, for sure, anytime. It shows you may... and is shown where you may scrape and where you may not. Oh. Okay. I do not even know this. Oh. Good to know. Good to know. Thank you. Okay, perfect. What is LinkedIn? It's a networking website. Microsoft Business Oriented Social Network. Yeah. Oh, okay. Baited. Yep, for sure. Same though. Alright. So, let's take a look here. Excuse me. Oh wait, I needed that page. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get this working with this other library I just found tonight, and then I think a good place to stop. I'm going to probably hop off after this. Yeah, I don't know what it is about React. Like, it looks like it's fun. It looks like it gets a lot done, and I know it does. I don't know. I have care to learn it, if that makes sense. And I don't know why that is. I really don't. I think it's powerful, and I do think, like, I definitely need to learn it at some point. It's just, right now, this is more interesting. Look at Vue. Yeah. Vanilla JavaScript. I've dabbled with a little bit of React. Not much. I've dabbled with a little bit. I haven't dabbled with Vue. I don't know what it is about React that I'm just not a huge fan of. I think maybe it's because I'm more of a back-end person, if that makes sense. I don't know. I think for me, like, creating a bot and creating AI and all of that, I think that's more interesting than web developing, if that makes sense. I don't know. For me it is. I know a lot of people that's not the case. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion, but that's mine. Okay. Sent max tweets. Alright. just want to get all the tweets. Yeah. Tweet model class that describes a specific tweet. I want the text. So tweet manager, a manager class that helps get tweets and tweets models. Okay. Cool. So let's just run this and see what we get and go from there. Yeah. Yeah, I think it might be eventually. Okay, cool. So we just got this tweet.manager get .tweet manager get tweets. Tweet criteria 0. I definitely agree with you. I think it might eventually turn out to be like something like Django. No, you're good. I don't mind at all. That's why I'm on here. Not really, not to get distracted, but just to at least communicate. Excuse me. Well, it's not impossible, just very manual. Yeah. Hashtag me too. Oh shit. Whoops. So, thing is, I don't know when his oldest tweet is. Do we want to just say like 2013? I think that'll give us enough data. 7 years, yeah. Oh, it might be out of bounds. Let's see. Tweet.got text manager. Tweet criteria set username. Set max tweets. What if we just remove this? What happens? Actually, also, wherever you're tuning in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. Follow, whatever. It would be greatly appreciated. Eventually, I'm going to start doing something for people who subscribe and all that. I don't know what, but I'm thinking about it, because who doesn't like a little affirmation and all that? It's great tweets. See trending hashtag and users. Which title are you looking at, Amina? Hey y'all, for the people coming in. How are y'all doing? I'm just waiting for my code to execute because there's 53,000 tweets that he's tweeted, so I'm pretty sure. Shut up. I hate you. I don't hate you, okay? Don't take that the wrong way. Alright, so we're... Okay, cool. I ended it because I got tired of waiting. Alright, let's put a cap on this. I don't think we need all 53,000. I hate myself too. Oh, boo-boo. Okay, so set max tweets. How do you get tweets by minimum number of replies? No. The title. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna... That was me, like, saying, oh shit, Kiska, but I said your name instead. Dude, I'm like, I don't know, yesterday was a weird day. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it, Amina. Doc told me I can't be cured. I'll be forever troll. Oh, shoot. Alright. Get help. Get tweets by geo coordinates. I don't want max tweets. Yes. I want max tweets. That's what I want. And instead of 2, let's say, what's a good sample size, guys? Like 5,000, 6,000 of 50,000? Like, what's the ratio? Does anybody know? Typically, like, what's a good sample size? I think it's like typically 5% of the population or something. I don't know. Okay. So let's go on and do 10,000. Or I don't want to overwhelm anything. Let's do 5,000. I don't need the comma there. And then instead of printing that, we're just gonna say that, and then we'll just print tweet at position, let's say 456. I don't know why I chose that number. I just did. Yeah, I am. I just want to make sure that this works first before I do that. Before I move on to the next thing. Because all I'm going to do is take what I used over here and just paste it here for a CSV. It won't. I'm not printing out each one though. I'm only printing out one. But what I'm doing is I'm getting the oh, I see what you mean. Let me just do it now. Fuck it. Let's see. Let's run it. Rupee. Oh, thank you for following me. Hey, what's up, y'all? Hope everybody's doing alright. Let's see. It's gonna take a minute. I already know that. Oh, that was my elbow. Kiska? God damn it. Okay. I was your 11th follower. Aw. 11 months be a lucky number, I guess. I don't know. Oh. I'm tired, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm missing like the just really important stupid little things. Okay. Well, let me just do that then. Let me just do say 100. Why not? That's what I was gonna do anyways after I got done. Index out of range. Of course it is. Let's just delete that and run it again. See what happens. Oh, okay. It's storing memory locations. Okay. Serialize the data. So explain to me like I'm two what that means. So you got it. Hold on, I think I know. Let's see. Okay. Give it a go. Yeah, exactly. Because now you're storing an object that's supposed to help you do the query. Oh. Okay, so this is some really shitty documentation. Is there anything better? Oh my god. Yeah, exactly. Does that... But, hold on. If I do this, because this is how they have it here. Let's run it, see what happens. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, but... Iterable expected, not tweet. Because there's nothing. Okay. Because this is only converting the very first element of the array. Yes, that's what I was thinking. Yep. Yep. Hold on. Because where are you saying I put the while loop? Because I was thinking right above this, but tweet isn't... Duration. API. Hold on. I want to check something too. Okay, give me a second. Let me try that in a minute. Okay. So that did what I thought it was going to do, which is good. Okay. Hello. For tweet and tweets. Ah, crap, I did it in the wrong spot again. Fuck. Yeah. So here's the thing. I think this is what actually converts it into text. So what I was thinking, yeah. Because if you, let me check at position 2. Because why not? Let me, first of all, comment this out, just because it's giving us grief right now. Okay, so it's this here. That's what I was thinking. So what we gotta do is we gotta do the for loop here. Okay, so this is going to sound like a dumb question, but in a for loop like this, what is the, yes, but I have to do a for loop here in order to convert this into text that can actually be outprinted, because this actually gives me a hex memory location here. Oh, crap. Where is it? Shit. Here. Fuck. You can see, so right here, it's an object at that memory location, right? So if I don't do this line here, because what I did is I changed the number here. Correct. So now if I have to assign okay, well, how do I check those properties? Because the documentation is shit. You see what I mean? Because if I do... Yeah. Because, look. If I do this... It's not iterable, right? Let's just try this. For tweets and tweets. Because at this point, it worked. So it worked. Because this is his first one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that worked. Oh my god. Well, hold on. No, I don't want to do that because I'm jumping the gun. Hold on. I in range of tweets. Yeah, that's, yeah. God But they're... Okay, so I see what you're saying. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, I got it. I got what you're saying. Yeah. So I'm going to create a new list, call it tweets, tweet at position I, assign tweet at position, not curly brackets, I dot text. Exactly. I appreciate the help. I do. It might take me a minute to get things sometimes because, yeah, my brain doesn't move that fast all the time. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But, yeah. Let me, because I gotta define tweets as a list. I gotta initialize it at least. Ooh, that whistle though. The teeth whistle. So let's try it now. Thanks, Amina. Okay. What? Is it still the same thing? Tweet dot length is a thing, right? Or dot length is a thing in Python? So I've actually, I've programmed in Java and C++ in the past. Okay, perfect. I just didn't know how you, what the whatchamacallit was. Syntax. Let's see. How is the list assignment index out of range? When in doubt, just put more parentheses, right? I forget that's a thing in Python. Hold on, let me go look at the syntax real quick. It's literally just doing the same thing here. Yeah. Yeah, and Java, it's been a hot minute for Java with me. It's been 4 years. Yeah, for me it's been since my junior year in high school. And I think we might have got it. Yep, we sure did. Cool. So, now, I want it to be a new line though. How do you do that again? I kept remembering I saw the CSV docs to make the value different. I can't remember the actual term for it. It starts with the D. That's what she said. High school friend said, I got... Carrie, did you just flex on him? What you mean by that? I'm not sure what you mean by that. delimiter. That's what I want. I want it as a new line. Where am I supposed to put that? I forgot again. Oh my god. I literally forget everything. It's fine. This is fine. It's all fine. Oh. I mean, they can come back to this and see. Plus, I don't really have high school friends. I'll be honest with you. High school was shit for me. Plus, this is already like... Man, at least you learned to code. Yeah. True. Very true. I also made money off of one kid in high school. Because I did his code for him. I did his, there we go. Yay! It works. Wait. Yeah, he paid me to do his end of the year project for him, and yeah, it was nice. That's so weird. But also, this is like taking me a lot less time than what it did the other day, so I am pleased to announce, okay. Nice. That's dope, dude. Yeah, I was not that proficient in it. Why is it not getting the first tweet? That's weird. And why is it going this way? How did you land that contract? Yeah. What the hell? Why are there Arabic symbols? Why? Oh, there it is. I hate this guy. I wanna translate that. Translate. Yes, please translate this for me because I actually want to see what he said. I have so many feelings about this right now. Yeah, we're not gonna get into that. But it's working. Oh, look, it even translated it. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I can't. Yeah, he did. Yeah. Aminoff, that's what I thought too. That's what I thought too. When I saw that, I was like, he must have gotten hacked because that's Donald Trump we're talking about. That's freaking Trump. Yo. Okay, cool. So this is working. Good to know. So now, it's at a 0 on that. See how far we can push it before it takes a while. I might have pushed it a little too far, but it's okay. But yeah, so now what I'll probably do is, because this is exactly what I need, so there's this one. Why did I even think it would be a good thing to do this? Donald Trump. I think it was because I was noticing like some inconsistencies in the other file. Which, yeah, I'm noticing here, like there's a whole bunch of no lines. But for the most part, I think, oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, I think we're pretty good here. I like even how up here it references the handles. So like Congressman Mike Simpson, and then it tags the person he tagged, so all now I have to do is take this out, and then I'm good to go. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna end it here tonight, and I think we finally settled on our Twitter scraper. There we go, here. I think this is the script I'm gonna use. I just think it's probably the most efficient. And then not only that, I like how I can control the amount of, that's what it was. It was because I couldn't control the amount of tweets I actually got as a response. Now here, I can control the tweets. So that being said, I think I'm going to go on and end it here. I am going to run this script. Let's do it now and see how long it takes, the 5,000 tweets. I'll stay on here until it gets them. But tomorrow what I'll do is I can't start early in the, well, I can start early in the morning. Maybe what I'll do is I'll start, yeah, I know. Well, I just kind of want to see how long it takes. Why not? It'll take at least 5 times as long as what the other one did. But, what I'll do tomorrow is I'll clean up the data, and then I'll do this in the morning because I do have a live call for Profit with JavaScript, the course that I'm in. Excuse me. And I gotta lead that call tomorrow morning, or tomorrow at 2 p.m. PST, or no, 2 p.m. CST, 12 p.m. PST, which is 2 o'clock my time. So that being said, what I'll do is maybe I'll just code up to that point, see how far we can get, and then go from there. I'll probably try to wake up early. I'm going to try to go to bed early tonight too. I think that's another thing, is I haven't been sleeping very well. So I think that's another thing that's been contributing to like my energy slump and all of that. So yeah. I think that's what we're gonna probably do. But let's see how long this takes. And then what I'll do is I'll run the CSV through a text cleaner tomorrow. And then we'll go from there. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty good. Or data cleaner, whatever you want to call it, cleaning my data. All that good stuff. I don't know how you actually say it, but like I said, guys, I'm a complete beginner when it comes to all of this. So, if you can't tell. Cheers. But, yeah. I think this is going to be a good project for me, because I'm going to learn a lot. And yeah. Alright. Well, it's still going. I wonder if I would be able to stream the call tomorrow. That would be kind of cool. I doubt I would be able to. Yeah. I'm gonna do, oh, hey, it's done. I'm gonna do a call over loops tomorrow. It's gonna be loops, data types, and conditionals. Kind of gonna group them all together because you can't really have any of them without the other. So, well, looky there. Well, you looky there. We have 5,000 tweets from Donald Trump himself. But yeah. So I think what I'm going to do is we're going to end it here for tonight. Because, I mean, I'm feeling energetic. It's probably because of this. But I think I need to just kind of start winding down for the night because it is almost 10 o'clock. I did this late and I shouldn't have done that, but that's fine. But, yeah, we're going to end it here tonight, y'all. And then what I'll do is while I'm, like, kind of winding down for the night, I'll take a look into libraries and all that. I think I'm going to use pandas, if I remember correctly, to clean up my data. And yeah, we'll go from there. But I appreciate everybody coming out and joining in on the stream. Like I said, I apologize. I know it's not that long of a stream tonight, but I appreciate everybody coming out. I really appreciate you, Dumbstick. I don't know your actual name. I'm going to just call out your handle. That's your handle. I appreciate you, Dumbstick, on Twitch. Go follow him if I don't really have a big fan base right now. But anybody who's Benjamin, perfect. Go follow Benjamin on Twitch. He really helped me out today, and I really appreciate it. Again, I don't have a big following, but that's the least I could do. But yeah, everybody have a great night. I really appreciate, again, Benjamin. His name is, again, Dumbstick, Dumstik on Twitch. Oh, you just chill and coding streams. Oh, well, maybe you should stream then. That would be kind of cool. But, anyways, yeah, y'all have a great night. Thank you again, Benjamin. I do really appreciate the help. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, I was trying to move my camera over a little bit because, yeah, OBS was glitching on me earlier. But yeah, y'all have a great night. I appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.